Hey guys, Justin Robinson here, Vice President of Crossflight Sky Solutions, and I just wanted to let you know about an informative video series that I'm doing this week on high school drone use and how to do it safely, effectively, and inside of the federal regulations. Lots of stuff we're going to cover. This is kind of what the layout's going to be each day. Um, should be a lot of information. On the last day, I'm actually going to go over and answer questions that are sent in and the best questions that we get live or throughout the week. If you've got any other questions, send those to info@crossflightskysolutions.com and we'll get those out to you. We're also going to be giving away a lot of free materials like school district checklist, policies and procedures, and if you sign up, we'll actually send you all of these videos so that you can share those with your colleagues. If you know any teachers, educators, CATE directors that would benefit from this, please share it with them, like our Facebook page. We're just trying to get as much information out as we possibly can so that our students have the best, safe environment to learn and they're progressing with this new technology. So go out and fly safe. Look forward to seeing you over the next week.